Hello there, everyone, and welcome to our CSE 490R Special Topics course. I'm super excited about this course. In it, we're going to learn React. So I'm showing here the GitHub pages course content of our course. Everything on our course will be in iLearn as far as assignments that you submit and scheduling and things like that. But all the course content is actually housed here in GitHub pages. So real quick, I just want to take a quick minute to kind of walk through the outline of this course. My goal for you at the end of this course is to be ready for a career as a React developer. That's all I really care about. A few goals to kind of work towards that and things that I try to emphasize in this class to help you get there is being able to work well with teams, be confident in learning on your own, become awesome with React, become comfortable publishing React applications, and have multiple React projects to add to your project or to your professional portfolio. Our course schedule will look like this. Week 1, we'll kind of have a course introduction, and then weeks 2 through 4, you'll have a project. Weeks 5 through 7, you'll have another project. Weeks 8 through 10, you'll have a project, and then weeks 11 through 13, you'll have your final project. Okay. The grading for this final project will be a little bit heavier, not much, but this will kind of encapsulate everything that you've learned in the course, whereas each of these are just relevant to the content that you learned during those weeks. Our entire course, we don't have a textbook, but this videos course will kind of function as our textbook. So it's this React, the Complete Guide 2021 Academine videos course. It's fantastic. We are going to make it through the entire thing in this course, and it'll be great. So be sure to enroll in that. Oh, let's see. Let's get back to our thing here. There we go. Okay. Grading for late work. Late work isn't accepted. And then each assignment and project should implement the concepts taught in their respective lessons. So when I give you guys projects, you should incorporate as much as you can from the lessons that we learned, as long as it actually makes sense. You know, if you learn something specific in a lesson that doesn't really work with your project, that's totally fine. 100% on your assignments, awarded for professional work that is polished and ready to present to employers. This also means meaningful commits. I'll look at your GitHub code and make sure that looks good, because that's what potential employers are going to do. 90% awarded for work that is fully functional. Okay, so this is, I just look at your project, the actual application that's published, and it looks great. Okay, I won't worry about the professional layer aspect of it in your repository. 80% awarded for work that is mostly functional with some minor issues. 70% mostly functional with some pretty serious issues. 60% it's mostly dysfunctional, but I can definitely tell what you're trying to do. Okay, and then anything less than 60% will just be a case-by-case basis. But these will generally be completely dysfunctional, or just majorly incomplete, or just not submitted at all, and that would land you at a 0. So, and then this little side note here is just saying, hey, remember, due dates and everything is actually going to be in iLearn. Okay, and then if you look at any given lesson, if I just click on this lesson content link here, it'll have a brief overview for you, learning material, and these will just link directly to that Academine videos course, and then you'll have your team assignment and personal assignment, and that's pretty much it. So no surprises or anything. All the iLearn content will link directly to these web pages. If you're curious, this application was built using React. I'm sure I'll show you guys the code for it at some point. But anyways, yeah, so I just wanted to take a quick second to introduce the course. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.